Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fry the fish head. So you can see over here guys, I already marinated turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and little bit ginger garlic paste. That's it. So I already marinated, so it's time to fry. So you can see guys, I already cleaned this all. His lungs I already removed. Only I kept there uh, his eyes. So only I kept because eyes is good for our health, right? So otherwise everything is here. So now we have to fry this one. Let's start guys. So here our oil already too much hot, so we have to just put fish head. Be careful, huh? Second one. And now we will put on the top lid. Why I am putting lid over here guys, because there is a reason, because inside the fish eyes there is a water, right? So water with the hot oil, so it can be splashed. So we have to our safety first, right? We don't want to harm of our body. So because of that I put lid on the top. Then after some time we will flip the fish head. Guys, one side already done, now we have to flip. So I will remove this lid first. And it's time to flip. And again I will put this lid, because right now it's I already flipped. So this side with the eye side, and it will be merged with the hot oil guys. So because of that I have to again put this lid. So guys, now it's already done, so I have to just keep on the plate. So you can see guys, the color amazing. We will strain his oil. So now you can see guys, it's already done.